Hi guys, my name is Gerald from Trading Waves and welcome to today's short video where we take a look at pound Swiss franc. On the 4-hourly, we seem to be having what is an unconfirmed bullish sequence. A high, a low, a higher high, a higher low, right? Now we need to have a higher high like that, or we're looking for a higher high like that, higher than this one here, and higher than the first high there. And then we would look for a low which is higher than this low and higher than the previous low as well. All right. And in Elliott wave terms, one could either look at this as a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and then looking for the fifth wave higher, or one could just say this appears to be a 1, 2, 3 W, a 1, 2, 3 X, and then we're looking for more upside. Either way, whether you look at it as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 later, or as a W, X, and then Y later, the bias is pretty much the same. So the question here is whether this corrective structure is done here. Okay, so we may be having a 1, a 2. The question is whether the third swing of a corrective structure here is done. Whether you're looking at it as an impulse, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 later, or you're looking at it as a W, and then X and Y, the corrective structure has to end at least. So we have 1, 2, 3 here, 1, 2, 3 there. Is this 1, 2, 3 all, or are we going to get more? Could this be 1, 2, 3 perhaps? Right, so we shall see. Let's take a look on the 1-hourly and bring up some labels on pound Swiss franc. So as I said, there's two possibilities here on pound Swiss franc. So one of the possibilities is what we are showing here, where we had from the peak that I've shown here, which could either be a 3 in yellow or a W in yellow. We had a 1 or an ABC in this view in particular, which is 3 swings, A, B, C, a W, 1, 2, 3, or a WXY for X a connector. And then the question is whether these 3 swings is all we have in Y, or whether this is WX and then this is A, B, C in Y, right? These legs are already sort of equal in relationship in terms of Fibonacci extension, right? If one measures the move from the peak to the end of W, we can see that it's pretty much at 161.8. So if Y in red is completed there, then we have this as a 1, that is a 2, this is a possible 3, this is a possible 4, and then a 5 higher, right? This would just be giving us 1 actually. Let's do it this way. It will just be giving us 1. And then we'll get a pullback lower for 2 before we can see a move higher for 3, right? Or price will break below this peak, this low here, which we propose is A of W, in fact, A of Y in green within Y in red, right? So we could just be having our A, B, C. So for this view that we have currently here to hold, we need to see price coming lower, breaking below this low. For the other view, in other words, where Y is completed here, we need to see price going higher, breaking above this peak here and continuing higher. More importantly, above the peak of the connector, X in red there. Okay, so those are the two possibilities on pound Swiss franc. And our members already know which one of these two possibilities is likely going to happen on the basis of a set of rules and guidelines that which we have, in addition to the rules and guidelines that which Mr. Elliott himself has enacted. All right, and for more of the same of what we are showing today, we invite you to join us in our new home there, where we have a 50% discount on our course, a 50% discount on our course, and lifetime subscription membership. Let me just quickly show you. So you would click get now if you are interested. This will take you to our pricing plan. All our prices and plans are discounted, but the ones that we are looking at that are at a 50% discount are these particular ones over here, right? So our full course was over $600. Now it's at $300. Advanced one-on-one was almost $900. Now at $450. Lifetime plan was almost $2,500. Now at half the price. All right, so take advantage of this massive discount and join our family so you can see more of what I've just shown you now on pound Swiss franc. Right, we're looking to welcome you to our home, and I hope you enjoy watching this particular video. Cheers.